The city of Prague, located in the heart of the Czech Republic, is a charming destination offering a rich blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic and boasts stunning architecture that attracts tourists from all over the world. Prague's landscape is characterized by charming cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and iconic landmarks. The city's architecture showcases various styles, from Gothic and Renaissance to Baroque and Art Nouveau, creating a visual feast for architecture lovers. Prague is known for its tourism industry, welcoming millions of visitors each year. From iconic landmarks such as Prague Castle and Charles Bridge to lesser-known attractions such as Vysehrad Fortress and Petrin Hill, there is no shortage of places to see and experiences to have in this charming city. For those planning to visit Prague, it's worth noting that the city offers plenty of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to inexpensive hostels. In addition, public transportation in Prague is efficient and convenient, making it easy for travelers to get around the city. Whether you're interested in history, art, music, or simply immersing yourself in a vibrant cultural scene, Prague has something for everyone. Its museums showcase art and artifacts accumulated over the centuries, and its theaters host world-class performances. The city's lively nightlife also offers many bars, clubs, and restaurants where visitors can enjoy traditional Czech cuisine or sample international dishes. To summarize, Prague's beauty and charm make it an ideal destination for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience. From its impressive architecture to its warm hospitality and rich heritage, this historic city continues to enchant those who visit.